Have you ever spent hours debugging a program, only to realize the real problem was how hard the code itself was to understand? It is a common challenge, and thankfully, modern tools are here to help. Artificial intelligence, or AI, checks code for maintainability by acting like an incredibly diligent expert reviewer. It automatically analyzes your code's structure, style, and adherence to best practices, then pinpoints areas that could be clearer, simpler, and easier for any developer to work with in the future. This helps ensure your projects remain as flexible and easy to update. The core mechanism behind this is AI's ability to learn and recognize patterns from massive datasets of existing code. These systems are often powered by machine learning algorithms, which have been trained on countless open-source repositories and professional projects. They understand what well-written, maintainable code looks like, often following established guidelines such as the PEPH style, Guide for Python, or similar conventions in other programming languages. The AI identifies deviations from these patterns, looking for things like overly complex functions, inconsistent naming conventions, or deeply nested logic that can be confusing. When you integrate an AI coding assistant into your workflow, typically within your integrated development environment, or IDE, it works quietly in the background. As you write or review code, the AI provides real-time feedback. It might suggest renaming a variable for better clarity, breaking down a long function into smaller, more focused ones, or adding comments to explain complex sections. Some tools even offer refactoring suggestions, proposing alternative code structures that are more efficient or readable, which is incredibly helpful for long-term project health. One fascinating aspect is that AI can sometimes detect code smells, which are structural characteristics in your code that suggest deeper problems, without necessarily being a direct error. These could include duplicate code blocks, large classes, or long parameter lists, all of which hinder maintainability. By identifying these early, AI helps developers proactively address potential issues before they become major technical debt, saving significant time and resources down the line. Ultimately, using AI to check code for maintainability transforms a time-consuming and often subjective task into an efficient, objective process. It empowers you to write cleaner, more robust code, ensuring that your projects are not only functional today but also sustainable and adaptable for whatever changes tomorrow may bring.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and build with us.